All right, now I'm gonna show you how Amazon lockers work. Very convenient system that Amazon came up with. They have it here in Florida. When you can't wait around for the mailman to get there and deliver your package, or you're just worried that you're gonna miss him because you have to go out. Uh, this is a convenient way of getting your packages. Like I'm leaving back to Montreal tomorrow, so I could not take a chance of missing the mailman and having to go pick it up on Monday, or even wait around for him all day today. I couldn't take it. I couldn't do that. So I got it delivered. I decided to get it delivered to the Amazon locker. Convenient. You'll see. I think I said that already twice. Anyways, it is convenient. I'm going to show you now how it works. Very easy. You get notified when it gets delivered to your to the locker. You get a personal code that changes every time they deliver a package. So there's no chance of somebody coming up with your code, because with the hundreds of thousands of packages delivered every day and the thousands and thousands of lockers that they have all around the United States, chances of somebody having your code at that locker, better chance of winning the what is it, Mega Millions over here, or the Powerball. Uh, so you get this you get notified. You get a 6 or 8 digit code, or you get also a barcode. If you want, you can scan your phone with the barcode. I just find it's a hassle because most of the time those barcodes don't work right away. So you get the digits. You punch in your, I believe it's 6 digits. Anyways, I'll put up a screenshot of the notification with the combination that you get, or the code. Uh, you punch in your code into the keypad, and ta-da! One of the doors opens up. You grab your packages from inside, and you go on your merry little way. You close back the door, and that's it. And you have your package. It's safe. You know that it's going to be there when you arrive, and there's no hassle. And I'm not sure, but I think I missed a turn. Whatever. Anyways, once I get there, I'll turn the camera around, and you'll see how the system works. Hopefully this will help out some other people, because the first time I used it, I didn't even know what I was looking for. All right, we got to the Amazon lockers. Now all you have to do is, like I mentioned before, punch in the code, and that's it. So that's them. See, they look like regular bus terminal lockers. So you get a, like I said, 6 digit PIN code. Punch in that PIN code into the lockers, and your package is going to be in one of those lockers. And you see how easy and how convenient it is. I wish they had things like this in Montreal, because I wouldn't have to worry about my package getting stolen from in front of my door. And since most of the time, little packages like this are the ones that get stolen from in front of the door, nobody's gonna go in front of your door and take I don't know, a huge box. They'll go walk down the hallway. But a little package like this, a little envelope, they can put it in their purse or in their briefcase, whatever, and just walk away with it. So if Amazon is listening, please do this in Montreal. Do it in Canada, whatever. It's convenient, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people that are going to enjoy. And peace of mind, having your packages delivered to a locker. I mean, they're scattered all over Florida. This one was what? It's a 5-minute drive from my condo, and from what I can see, within like 15-minute drive, there was like 7 or 8 to choose from. I mean, they're all over the place. This one's right outside of 7-Eleven, so I can come here at any time of the day. The other day, I came and get a package at 3 o'clock in the morning because I just didn't want to deal with the hassle of the traffic. So I just came at 3 in the morning. And there's people that work during the day, people that work during the night. They're only available at let's say 3 in the morning. This is convenient. And anyways, I hope that helps people see how the Amazon lockers work. It's very convenient. Punch in your 6-digit code, a little door opens, you have your package, and you go on your merry little way. If that helps anybody out, give it a thumbs up, share, like the video, subscribe. You never know what else I'm gonna come up with in the future. I'm like Frank of all trades. I like to show people anything and everything. So please subscribe. All right? Take 2 seconds, click that subscribe button. And you know what? Maybe there's going to be a video out there that's going to be helpful for you, for your friend, for your brother. You never know. See you another day.